We got this 2017 Jeep JK here. We do a lot of pickup trucks, but out here in Las Vegas, Jeeps are super popular. This owner wanted to give it a little bit more beef. The Jeep Willys is a cool package, but it's not as tall as some of the other Rubicons and stuff that are out there. So we opted for a 2.5-inch JKS suspension kit. This is the J-Venture, and I think it's everything you need and nothing you don't to hit the trails or look good driving around town. Let's take a look at what we got on here. So taking a look at this kit, it's real simple. Like I said, it's everything you need, nothing you don't. First of all, we're gonna have the 2.5-inch coil springs front and rear. It's gonna get the front up level with the rear, allow you to fit 33 or even 35-inch tires. Next, you're gonna get a set of the Fox Adventure Series shocks. These are American-made 2.0 shock, real basic, but a better ride than some of the entry-level JSPEC shocks that you can get from JKS. And then you're gonna have your track bar. Obviously, when you're lifting the vehicle, the axle's gonna wanna slide over, so that track bar is gonna allow you to get everything aligned and dialed in perfectly. And then the signature component. Now, this is one of the best things when you're going off-road, disconnecting this front sway bar. You're gonna get a pair of the JKS sway bar disconnects. Super easy. All you do, pull a pin here. There's a mount. You're gonna swing one out of the way, and now your sway bar is disconnected. You're gonna have full travel up front. It's gonna give you a lot more control and a lot more flex off-road.